Welcome to Anna American Accent. Today we're going to look at the difficult relationship between spelling and pronunciation in English. Very often we still spell words the way they were pronounced 500, 600, 700 years ago. So that makes it very difficult because English went through a big shift in all the vowels way back that many years ago. And you can see here all kinds of spelling combinations to produce different sounds. So take a look at a kind of famous example of weird spelling, O-U-G-H. We have it in many words. In the word through, it's oo. In the word thought, it's aw. In some accents, more like o. In though, it's O. Tough is interesting because it's not only a different vowel, but it also makes GH into an F. And finally, we have drought, ow. On the other hand, one sound like E in green, traditionally called the long E, can be spelled in many different ways. So we have teacher, E-A, seen, that's E, with a silent E after the consonant. Field is I-E, pretty common combination. Sometimes it can be flipped though to E-I, that is after a C. So receive is one of those, or perceive. And we have sometimes just an E, she, or happy, that ending with a Y is an E sound, as well as the word green, E. So we have 5 vowels and different combinations that produce about 15 vowel sounds. And here we can see them in like a triangle showing what it would look like in the mouth, just as the picture in the corner, depending on the position of the tongue. Now, a good way to learn how to say each of these about 15 sounds in English, it depends a little bit on the accent. You can use the Color Vowel Chart by Taylor and Thompson. I'll put a link to their interactive Color Vowel Chart in the description. And there, when you pull that up, you can actually click on each color and hear how it's said. For example, the green color, green T-E. Each color contains the vowel it represents. White contains I, etc. Now here I have put together the International Phonetic Alphabet, or the IPA, together with the Color Vowel Chart roughly, and put the different symbols in there as a way to connect them. That's one way that you can figure it out for yourself, but still you have an unknown word and you're looking up in a dictionary. How can you even figure all this out? Which color is which, etc. You can use dictionary.com. That's one of my favorite apps for looking up pronunciation of words and for other purposes as well. You see here next to the word you have a button with a speaker so you can hear it. But hearing can be hard. It's good to complement it with the spelling. They have 2 ways of showing that. They have one that's sort of an easy English spelling version of what it sounds like. But if you look here next to the brackets here, where they have that spelled version of it, they also say show IPA. If you hit show IPA, you're going to see how they would spell it. It's aisle. Now you see it here, AI in a particular font, represents the I sound, and then L, and you can tell there's no S pronounced. So it's a good way to do it. Now again, you want to know if you're learning these 15 vowels and how to say them properly. It's not rose, but it's rose. How do you then know which one is which? So what I would suggest is you take dictionary.com and you just put in each color. Here I put in blue, and you can look down there what blue looks like. You can even make yourself a list of each color by doing it that way. I hope this helps. Best of luck, and look for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.